Ever wondered how to quickly track weeks in your schedule? Let's turn on week numbers in the Samsung calendar on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Next, enable show week numbers. Then tap show week numbers to choose how the first week of the year is counted. You can choose the week with the first Thursday of the year to match with the ISO standard used in many countries and businesses, or you can choose the week with the first day of the year, so your calendar will simply start week first on January 1st, even if it's in the middle of the week. For example, if you work with international teams, choosing the first Thursday option ensure you are aligned with the global week system. To see the result, go back to your calendar. As you can see, the week numbers appear on the left side of each week in your calendar. And that's it. With week numbers enabled, planning project, school schedules, or weekly goals become much easier on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.